Today, we are talking about one of the highest conviction stocks in my portfolio, AREC, and how I have been dollar cost averaging into my position, regardless of the noise, the dips, and the volatility. And now I officially sit at 100 shares strong. Hello. Welcome back to Invest with Intention YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm on a mission to turn 13,000 into 50,000 by investing into ETFs, index funds, and high conviction stocks. And thank you to my first 43 subscribers. This truly means a lot to me. You guys have been subscribing and helping the channel grow and reach new people, and I can't thank you enough. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so now. Take a second. It costs nothing and helps the channel grow. Okay? And as always, this is not a financial advice. Please do your own research before buying anything you see on my channel. All right, let's go back to AREC. This isn't a hype trade for me. Okay, this is a long-term belief play, and I'm not going to sit here and tell you like if you can see my position right now, I'm at 1.97%. I'm up 1.97%. But if AREC was to be like 500% return on my portfolio, right? This is a high volatility stock, so I'll probably take some profit, or at least get back my initial investment, which is $321, right? So I'm just being honest, right? And so if whatever happened next, I know that I did not lose my initial investment. But for now, it's a high conviction stock that I'm going to leave on to do its work for me. Okay, so we'll take a look at what AREC does. AREC is a US-based company focused on supplying raw materials and developing technology tied to critical minerals and advanced materials, okay, which are important for things like energy, infrastructure, and future industrial manufacturing. Okay, so let's take a look at my position and how I got to 100 shares. Okay, so let's go here so you can see. Let me see. All right, so as you look over here, you see that I first bought this stock back on October 3rd, 2025. Okay, so less than a year ago, just a couple of months ago. Okay, and since then I have dollar cost average into my position, right? Buying 2 shares here, buying 4 shares here, and as you can see, the average cost basis here. When I first bought it, it was around $3.69, and then when I bought the 6 shares, the average cost basis was $4.20, right? So, and as you can see, even here it dropped to $3.17 when I bought 3 shares. Okay, it didn't matter to me. I just kept buying whenever I can, and I had money, right? Even I bought here when it dropped to $2.60, right? And that's how I built my position, little by little, right? 6 shares, 0.3 share, 4 shares here, 0.3 share here, 7 shares here, right? 5 shares over here. That's how I did it. 10 shares on February 14, 2026 this year, right? So it didn't matter to me. I just kept buying whatever I can, and even when the price was down here, right, that I bought a lot when it was down at 290, right? That's how I average cost into my position, and now my cost basis sits at $3.20, as you can see here, and the total I have invested into these 100 shares is $321.95. Okay, so $3.20 cost basis, 100 shares. The price right now sits at $3.26. So that means I am up almost 2% year to date on my position, which means I am up $6.34. Okay, today alone, if you look here, you see that AREC is up 15.37%. Right, that's how this stock can like go. Like, the volatility is so high, right? One day you are up 30% in one day, the next day you are down 50%, right? But for me, I'm an aggressive investor, so it doesn't bother me too much how the stocks swing, and I don't have a lot of money into it. Like I know $321 is a lot of money, but if you look at my other positions, right, I have more. If you look at my F-Tech over here, down here, you see that I have 4,000 in F-Tech, okay? I have 2,000 in FSELX, right? So for me, this position with $321 is not a lot. If I lose it, I'm okay because I'm going with high conviction, right? If it goes up a lot, I will be a winner. If it goes down a lot, that's okay. It won't affect my portfolio that much. But it always hurt losing money. But this is a stock I'm willing to take the risk on. Okay, so I think I'm going to pause buying more. I think I'm going to stay at 100 shares. That's what I'm saying right now. But you never know, right? I've said that in my past video, like, oh, I'm not gonna buy. I'm not gonna add until the stock drop to this level, and I tend to add even when it doesn't drop to that level, right? So right now my belief is that I'm going to stay at 100 shares. So we'll see what happens. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you believe in AREC stock, if you are thinking about buying it, if you have shares, how many shares, right? I appreciate you all for watching my channel and helping the channel grow and subscribing. Thank you so much. Please go ahead and subscribe, like this video so you can get to more people, and I appreciate you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.